introduction. You are?
I'm Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
I'm not in the mic. Yeah.
Okay, onward to the tour.
Where we learn to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day.
Yeah.
Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
Very. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. We just have to follow the lights.
Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't listened.
How cool, Ellie?
It's so cool.
It's so cool. We're going to the beach, and what did we forget?
This is really shady. We forgot towels.
We forgot the towels.
It's a passion fruit mojito.
Well. Oh wow, she didn't speak apparently.
Yeah, I didn't know what.
So, we got chips, onion rings,
I think it's so funny when like a fan comes on
and these two dips. How delicious, how fun, how exciting. This is the best ice cream literally ever. Am I right? Am I right, Elsa? So this one's the dark chocolate one. It's 95% cocoa and 5% water, which is like kind of insane. And then this is the passion fruit one. Again, 95% fruit and 5% water. Sorry,
The
but
place
what?
is called Vanilla.
Vanilla. This is me doing a taste test of it. Delissimo.
It's very good. I'm even in the okay.
For our last day in Portugal, we are going to Albufeira via the train, which is only a half an hour train journey, which is actually so good. These are the girls for the trip today. How fun! Guys, how cute are these?
Funky little heart.
Nice, nice. See, I'm going more for like the shell vibe. Like I want to look like, oh my god, I'm a surfer girl in Australia, you know? So this is the one that I'm going to pick. It's just like a very nice, simple shell one. But then look at the bracelet. It's got little starfish on it. I think it'll look very nice with like what I already have. We're layering. What are you getting, Ellie?
I'm getting this.
We're matching. So fun. We've arrived at the beach. It's very cute. Eyes look cool. There we go.